We are on our way back to Dehradun from Maneri, where more than 150 people were rescued today. In fact, it is nothing less than a joy on the faces of these people who are going back to Dehradun today. Hampered rescue operations here in Dehradun. In fact, at the Sahasradhara helipad in Dehradun, a lot of choppers had taken off in the morning, but they had to come back midway owing to the bad weather. Now, this place also faced a lot of devastation during the flash floods, which caused havoc across Uttarakhand. Now, as you can see now, this is the national highway which goes on till Gangotri. Now, this entire national highway somehow has been washed away. The Army, the Navy, the Air Force, and several other private companies have joined hands in rescuing thousands of people who are stranded across Uttarakhand. But it's not only a Herculean task. Only hope for the hundreds of people who are stranded here in Maneri. Now, this is the area between Uttarkashi and Gangotri. People are trekking down from Gangotri, which is about 90 kilometers from here. The main road which connects Uttarkashi and Gangotri, the National Highway 108, has been washed away. Now, we're standing on the roof of this house, which itself is half submerged in water. And this is why the police officials of Luxor are coming here to evacuate the houses. In fact, if I can just ask my camera person to pan, you can see most of the houses, they have collected wood, they have collected their grains, and they are collecting their cattle on the rooftops in order to secure themselves. If there is a, everybody will be rescued, everybody will finally go back home. With camera person Ritesh Mishra, this is Aditya Natharayanan en route to Dehradun for Headlines Today.